Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how you can make money online faster than what you have been doing. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into it and how you can make money online faster than what you have been doing. So if you've been trying to make money online, there are some chances that you have not made a single dollar. Maybe you've made 50 bucks here and there or something like that, but you have so much trouble because the reason this is because you're focused on so many things. You know, a lot of people, and I did this when I first started as well, you focus on a ton of different things. You want to make a Facebook group, you want to make a YouTube channel, you want to make an Instagram account, you want to go on Snapchat, you want to write a blog, and all these things, what it's doing is it's going to spread you too thin. That's what it's going to be. Because focusing on too many things is just going to get you like so thin that you can't do it like very consistently and you're not going to get anywhere. When I first started this channel, this was exactly what I had been doing. I was really focused on making a YouTube channel, but I really wanted to make a Facebook group. I also had an Instagram account that I had to post every day. And all these things made me so that I just couldn't make a video every single day. Like, I've been doing YouTube videos every day for a while now. It's been months and months. It's probably going to be years and years. But when I first started, I really couldn't do that because of that. I was just spread too thin. The other thing that stops people is like going all over the place. So like dabblers, like that's what people call them, and that's what I did as well. That's another reason, is because you're not stuck on one thing for long enough. You know, you might want to do drop shipping, then you want to make affiliate marketing, then you want to do Amazon FBA, then you want to do something else, and it just goes all over the place. Maybe you want to do social media marketing agencies and all these different things, and all of these works. You can make a ton of money doing that. But if you do them and you just try one and it doesn't work, and then you go to the next one and that won't work either, and go to the next one, like that's the reason that you're going to fail, because you're going to go so all over the place that it's going to be extremely hard. And I'm saying extremely hard, but it's basically impossible because you're focused on a billion different things and you don't take it long enough so that you have to like really wait to actually get it done. Like you really have to put in the work for a long time to be able to do it. And even what I'm talking about is how to make money online faster. It's still not going to be overnight, because if you focus on some little things, then it just won't work at all. So what I want you to do is focus on one thing, pick one thing. Maybe it's a YouTube channel, just like I'm doing. And yes, I have an Instagram account so that I post like every month or something like that. And even then, that's like a story. So just focus on that. Or maybe you want to make a blog, and I suggest doing one of these two, like a YouTube channel or a blog, because if you make a YouTube channel, you're going to grow organically and it's going to be easier and people connect to you a lot more. If you're good with words, then you can absolutely create a blog, and that kind of is the same, because people can actually research like something that you're talking about, whether it's, you know, whatever your subject is. People are able to search it, and you have to make it searchable as well. That's a quick tip for you guys. If you have like a YouTube channel or a blog, make it searchable. But focus on one of these things. And if you look at Gary Vee, he's talking about doing all these different things, but like he started off doing one thing and then got on to the next one and the next one and the next one. Focus on one thing that can make you money and then just pile up. And Dan Lok made a video just like that about saying that he can't do many things, but the things that he can do are the things that are making him the money. He started learning copywriting and got really good at that, and then got on to the next one. Because even if you make a YouTube channel, there's so many things that go into it. You have to be able to rank your videos. You have to be able to talk properly in front of the camera. You have to be able to make a sales funnel, because that's extremely important, and that's something that I talk about a lot. Because if you don't make a sales funnel and you just post a link in the description, you're not going to make very much money at all. So you have to really create a sales funnel, and if you're interested in creating a sales funnel for extremely cheap, you can click the link in the description on how to create a sales funnel. And like, you have to do that, and you have to be able to do the copywriting and all that stuff, and that's just for making a YouTube video. So even imagine if you're trying to write a blog at the same time and do all these different things, then it's going to be like near impossible to get on with something like that. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.